Okay, hi guys, it's Amanda here. So I wanted to do a quick journal page, and I brought myself, I've been inspired by Shemi Dixon, and I'll leave her link below and you can go and check her out and her YouTube channel. But inspired by just using what you have, in the sense of using a composition notebook. So I got this because it felt really nice and chunky, so I thought, oh, let me have a go. And this would be my no judgmental, not that I am judgmental in my artwork, but I've got other journals, handmade journals that I've made and things like that, that I do lots of stuff in. But I wanted this to be, you're just playing in it and there's no judgment, no, there's a big fly in here. So I just wanted a quick page, maybe half an hour. I've got a selection of supplies I don't use at all. I've got gelatos and I've got gelato wannabes, different brands. So I'm going to be using these. I've got some words that I put together or just printed, that I'm just going to select something random, and I've got some that are on cards. And the other thing I've got is a bag of papers, and what else are there? Just papers and bits that I've not known what to do with. Some things I've started and they've just been dumped in here. This is separate from, I do have like a couple of small bags. I keep a variety of different ones going of recycled paper, but this has got everything in it. And I'm seeing an image actually that I might use, don't know. So I'll have a look in here and see what there is, pull out a few things and then use them, or maybe not use them. I might use that actually. I'm just going to take out those and use those, use aspects of these, might not use all of them. And for me it's about, you've got, what can you do with what you've got, and sometimes it's good to, it's good to try and stretch yourself, and by doing it this way, by saying, okay, I'm just going to use what I've got, and then you're forced to, yeah, you're forced to just get on with it, yeah? So I'm limiting myself by, I've taken out a few things, words and stuff, because you could go on forever. The words I've got: foundations, good, I like the good foundations, care for where you live and work, getting started, and I'll see what happens with that. I saw this for field, and then I've got some encouraging words down here. I've got, I haven't used cut out images for a long time, and then here are just some random bits of paper, handmade paper, and this looks like a bit of tissue paper. So we're going to get started with that, and then the other thing that I'll add is some gesso, yeah? Gesso, we might need some glue. Right, so first of all, what I want to do is get down some colour. Now, I've been very precious about these gelatos because of the amount of money they cost. And I just didn't really get them, and then I found these other brands. So I'm gonna select some colours like that. Oh, I forgot these are in here. It's my ink brushes. Got these from a friend. Okay, right. And I've got a brush and some water. That's my drinking water. Got some brush and a water. Okay, so you can play along with me if you like, see what you've got. And